Let's learn about matrix calculation using Casio calculator. First, we have to check whether the number of columns for the first matrix is equal to the number of rows for the second matrix. If it is, then we can go ahead. We will be using the mode setup. In this, we would be entering in the 6 because that is the matrix part. We have to define matrix A and B. So we will be defining 1 first, which is 3 cross 2. So we will be defining 2, which is 3 and 2. And now we will be entering all the data. And then we will be using off. We have defined our matrix A. We will be going to the mode again, going to the 6, second matrix, which is 2 cross 3, divided by 4. Now we will be entering all the data, which is 3, 1, 5, and going to the shift, then matrix 3 and into shift matrix 4 equal to 3 cross